Hey Kevin, how are you doing?
Uh, I'm okay. I'm feeling a little down, but that's okay because I've got poise, and I think that's exactly what I need, and that'll get me mood lifted again and feeling good, bright and sunny. So I'm not too worried about it.
Poise is great for times when you're feeling stressed or dealing with some occasional anxiety. But I think what you're dealing with right now is something a little different. Feeling blue or some occasional sadness is different than anxiety, but CBD can still help with that. And actually, I have really good news for you because we just created a brand new product that can help boost your mood, and it's called Illume. So put down
Ah,
that poise and I'll send you some Illume to try.
awesome.
Yeah. So Illume is our new daily CBD capsule that helps balance and boost your mood while encouraging a positive mental outlook. It helps support your emotional well-being and can even help support a healthy weight. Now, we know that CBD works with your body's own endocannabinoid system, but it also interacts with the serotonin receptors in your central nervous system. Now, it's not actually boosting your serotonin levels. It actually affects how your brain's receptors are responding to the serotonin that's already in your system.
Hmm.
Yeah. And then we also have this amazing new ingredient that's sourced from saffron that is clinically proven to help boost feelings of joy and happiness in as little as 4 weeks. So we're talking as little as 10 points on the Hamilton Depression Score, which is extremely significant. I mean, we're talking on par with some pharmaceuticals.
That is amazing. That's really amazing. And one of our favorite wellness exercises here at Joiya, as you know, is gratitude journaling. And it's been proven to have a similar effect on elevating the journaler's mood. And it's an effect that can last as long as 10 weeks after journaling stops. So I don't know why you would ever stop journaling in the first place. On top of that, breathing exercises, another one of our favorites, can have a similar effect. And that includes just one's as simple as like deep breaths in and out for a good period of time.
See, I love that because it's so easy, and to incorporate that into your daily routine, it's like a no-brainer. So, in
Exactly.
addition to CBD and saffron, which are working on the serotonin receptors, we also have mucuna extract, which is sourced from the velvet bean. Now, it contains L-DOPA, which, as the name suggests, is a precursor to dopamine, the neurotransmitter that ignites the brain's pleasure centers, and it helps promote a healthy mood.
Ooh, a velvet bean. That sounds exotic.
Yes.
Well, that's really cool because exercise, and we're talking like even something as simple as just taking a walk can do that too. And while I know it can be tough to get out to the gym or even out for that walk, that gratitude journaling I was just talking about earlier can also help you do a better job of sticking with your exercise commitment. So it all kind of comes together.
Oh, that is very interesting. I love that. And then lastly, we have 5-HTP in this product, which is 5-hydroxy tryptophan, which is a naturally occurring amino acid, and it is a precursor to serotonin. So this helps with improving your mood and supports a healthy weight. So there are actually studies out there that show that it helps curb appetite. And this is probably because, with higher serotonin levels, you're happier and you're making healthier choices for your body. So it's kind of like the sleep stress cycle. It's the health and happy cycle.
Mm.
When you eat healthier, you're happy, and when you're happy, you eat healthier.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. And partly because I'm sure you know this, but I was very interested to find out that 90% of our serotonin receptors are actually in our guts. So there's a really strong tie there to what we eat and how we feel. And I know whenever I'm personally in a mood, kind of like I am today, I stop and I think back over the past few days and I go, what have I eaten? And inevitably, it's too much processed food and sugars and not enough like whole foods that I cook myself and leafy greens and like probiotic, and even fermented food. So it makes a lot of sense.
Absolutely. It's all connected. So, experiencing more joy and happiness is as easy as taking one capsule every day with a glass of water. Now, you can take up to four capsules per day, but I strongly advise you start with one capsule and waiting a couple weeks before increasing your dosage if necessary. Now, you can take it any time of day, but some may find it more beneficial to take it in the early evening hours, as it could also help with sleep. But of course, as we were just talking, happiness doesn't just come from the bottle alone. So pairing it with your amazing wellness routine will be optimal.
I could not, Rachel, have said it better myself. Now, I know I haven't seen the bottle of Illume yet because you haven't shipped it to me, but God, I wonder what's on the, wait, if I look really closely, can you turn it? Can you turn it? Oh, wow. So it says right there on the label, a reminder, just close your eyes after you take your capsule and bring to mind 3 things you're grateful for, right? So that's a great way to pair a wellness routine with taking your capsule every day. And if you really want to go the distance, then right afterwards, you can go outside and take a walk down to your local market, pick up some fresh fruit and vegetables, and then walk back and make yourself a healthy lunch. And then while you're taking the walk, if you throw in some deep breathing along the way, oh man, you've hit all the marks, and you're probably going to feel as good as you can. Yeah, I mean, what else is there at that point, right? Well, I'll tell you what, Rachel, I already feel better just talking to you and learning about Illume, but I can't wait to try it.
I am so excited for you to try it, and I'm so excited for all of you all to try it as well.
Awesome.